stop along the way, wherever you want to. Hold up. We'll wait for a group. Why don't you guys all come on in? A little left. A little left, take it easy. Alright guys, this is the very first opening of the east wall this year. That being said, we did get 4 feet of snow. We had lots of wind, so we're not going to see fresh 4 feet of snow everywhere out there. There are a lot of rocks subsurface and above the surface. Sound good? If anyone gets hurt, we gotta shut this whole program down, so don't be that guy or girl. Skiing control, lots of turns. There's no hiking above the traverse today, and we're only skiing out to the hot, cold closure. If you're not familiar with that, there's a rope line running down the skier's right side of that massive avalanche debris. No one's going past that. Do not duck the rope past that. To be honest, you're not even gonna wanna go near the debris. It's this horrible Volkswagen-sized chunk. So really, you can go out as far on the traverse as the debris. Do not make your own traverse and be that guy that traverses all the way out to the hot cold and ruin the skiing for everyone else. Stay on the traverse provided, ski fall line down. You guys have any questions? Nah? All right. Ski safely, have
Thanks,
fun.
brother.
Yep.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Okay. All right. East wall.
Hi guys. Can I get the line between the slide and the rope over there?
Right on the rope line?
Yeah.
That's fine. As long as
I won't go past it. You guys always do a great job. Thank you for letting me poke through.
we could do it a couple of ways.
Heavy wind effect. Oh, it's so good. Ski in, ski out.